Hey guys, welcome to Untitled Chapter. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this mini drone. It's an SP350 drone by Snaptain. If you are looking to pick up one for yourself for Christmas, you can do so by following the link in the description below. And this is a very fun drone for adults and children. As you can see, I'm going to have a little fun with it. It is definitely flyable inside of your home or whatever. I'm going to be flying it in my garage, which is actually a studio in my office for my YouTube channel and my shipping. But this is very fun. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to fly it, how to do some tricks, and you'll be off and flying in no time. Enjoy. So it actually comes with 3 batteries, which is kind of cool. I just charged these batteries full charge. Let's see how much flight time can we get out of them. So you turn it on like this, and you could put it down like that, up. That way, you know, it starts flying. And then if you want to take off, you basically put it here to the corners. You get it started, and you get it up like this. Go up. That's up, down. So you could spin like this. That's forward flying. Takes a bit of getting used to. So it's I'm adjusting the trim so it basically stays a little bit more level, as you could see. So the red light is the back of it. So here's the forward light. So basically forward flight, rear flight, forward, rear. It would be best to fly it outside, but hey, this isn't pretty much, I would call it an indoor type of toy. Especially in the winter time when it gets cold, you could just, you know, play around with it. Or have your kids play around with it. So pretty much, if you just like leave it alone, it's pretty easy to control. It just wants to fly a little bit to the right, so you could basically hit trim and adjust it to where it basically stays as still as possible. So I could see it slightly wants to go forward. There is other trim that you could do. So I just now made it to where, as you could see, it pretty much stays forward. But when it gets closer to walls, I think we have a battery problem right now. It's my remote is blinking. I doubt that the battery on the unit is actually dead. You need like AAA size batteries for your remote. I have more if I need to. By the way, it could actually do tricks as well. Let's see if we could actually do a flip. So while forward flying, not sure if it's not doing it. Maybe have to hold it down. Okay, so it looks like you need to fly forward and then hold it down. Whoa, come down, come down. Way up there. This can really get your brain to think outside the box, because you have to kind of like remember where this thing is flying, whether it's in the back or in the front, to try to steer it in all different places. Let's see if we could actually fly to the end of my... This is my studio, guys. So the battery and the remote's dying, but the cool thing is it comes with a charger and it comes with 2 batteries. Now you could see that it's dying at this point. So if you want to land it, you could just simply land it like this by pressing down, and now you have landed. So now I'm going to show you how to replace battery. Flying. So my cat's afraid of it. It wants to attack the drone. It's like thinking like, what the heck is that? It's like, what is this? I'm getting out of here. Almost had a little crash. Let's do a little flip. There you go. So when you press the flip, then you go forward, that's when it actually does the flip. So finally, I've learned that. So we'll come back with it. So you press flip, go forward, and then it does a flip. So this is up and down, obviously. Okay, I want to even it out as much as possible. So we're going forward, flip, forward. There he goes. Forward, flip, forward. Hit a flip, just go forward, it flips. I learned how to do flips, yay! Not enough room to really catch some speed, but do we really need speed? Controlling it is very simple. It's like you're controlling an RC car, because, you know, the stability of the drone, it's just, you know, it's just really stable. So pretty much you have to go forward and just make turns. So I want to go ahead and actually kill the battery and then restart them. The good thing is you could actually restart 2 batteries at the same time. So that's the beauty of it. I'm getting a hang of it. And I'm only on my 2nd battery. It's easy enough to control. There you go, the battery is beginning to die. So let's see if we could actually land on the table. So I basically hit land one time, it just starts landing and boom.
My name is Serge Zamaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.